મંચ પર આમંત્રિત કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છે રોઝરી ઇંગ્લિશ એકેડમીના માનનીય પ્રિન્સિપલ શ્રીમતી ભાગ્યશ્રી મેમને. તેમનું નેતૃત્વ એક અદ્ભુત સંતુલનનું પ્રતિબિંબ છે. જ્યાં શિસ્ત જરૂરી હોય ત્યાં તેઓ દ્રઢ છે અને જ્યાં સમજ, સહાનુભૂતિ અને માર્ગદર્શનની જરૂરત હોય છે ત્યારે તેઓ ખૂબ ઉદાર પણ છે.
વિદ્યાર્થીઓને માત્ર નિયમોમાં બાંધવાનું નહીં, પરંતુ તેમને સમજદારીથી ઘડવાનું તેમનો સ્વભાવ છે. એવી સશક્ત નેતૃત્વ શક્તિ ધરાવતા માનનીય પ્રિન્સિપલને અમે વિનમ્રતાપૂર્વક મંચ પર આમંત્રિત કરીએ છીએ. તો આવો સાંભળીએ રોઝરી સ્કૂલના પ્રિન્સિપલ શ્રી ભાગ્યશ્રી મેમ.
Honorable Chief Guest,
esteemed management, dedicated teachers and supportive parents, and most importantly, my vibrant and talented students. A very good evening to all. Myself, Bhagyashree Hattimare, a principal of Rosary English Academy, managed by Sishu Vihar Education Trust. It is an honor to welcome you all to our school's annual day celebration. First of all, I would like to welcome and I'd like to thank the parents for coming here in such good numbers. It is an opportunity for me to speak over here on this day of celebration, and a big thank you to all for joining us today. To start with, this evening is not just a showcase of talent, but it is a celebration of the journey that we have shared over the past years. So I want everyone to give a big round of applause for all the students who are present here. Give a big round of applause for the students who have joined us today. To the parents, I would like to thank the parents who have joined us today. I believe you are the only one who makes your child prepare and encourage your child. So I would like to thank them and give a big round of applause to all the parents. Give a big round of applause, everyone. Now to my teachers, and I know all the teachers are at the backstage giving their 100% efforts in preparing their children. So I want everyone to give a big round of applause for our teachers too, for their dedication and their efforts. To the students, I believe that our students is having a lot of talent and potential. So I believe our student is only the one who will make this evening successful. Now, this year has been an incredible year. So I would like to share something about a Rosary English Academy. Rosary English Academy is not only a school, but it is a launch pad where the dreams takes flight. It is all about developing creativity and nurturing the dreams of the students. In our Rosary English Academy, we provide academic excellence where the students get a chance to learn with the practical experiments. We give holistic development to our students, which creates a balance between the education with the skills, creativity in our students, and give a chance to show their skills and creativity in front of others. We provide personal guidance to our students, which fosters the bonds between the teacher and the student. And most importantly, we create a discipline and a sanskar in our students. Although we are English medium students, but we won't forget our culture and tradition that we teach to our students. Our school begins with touching the feet of the gurus, that is, our teachers. That makes our children complete. Now, last but not the least, we, the Rosary English Academy, wants that our teachers should be empowered, our students should be valued, and our parents should be proud. And also we are working towards it. Thank you so much.
થેન્ક યુ સો મચ ભાગ્યશ્રી મેમ. તમે તમારા વચનો શિરોધાર્ય, તમે જે અમારા પ્રિય દર્શકોને રોઝરી ઇંગ્લિશ એકેડમી વિશે માહિતી આપી તે બદલ તમારો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર. ઓવર ટુ યુ પીનલ મેમ.